Question words are very important for asking questions in English. They help us get information about people, places, time, reasons, and more. Today, we will focus on the question word why, which is used to ask about reasons. Why is used to ask for explanations or motives. When someone wants to know the reason for something, they use why. For example, to understand why someone is late or why something happened. The basic structure for asking a question with why is why plus the subject and verb. For example, why are you late? Or why did she leave? This structure helps clearly ask why something happens. Here are some common questions using why. Why are you late? Why is the baby crying? Why did you leave early? These questions ask for the reason behind these actions or situations. When answering a why question, most responses begin with because. For example, I was late because I had traffic. She is crying because she is hungry. The answer explains the reason clearly. Practice asking and answering why questions. For example, why are you late? The answer could be because I had traffic. This practice helps you become familiar with using why in everyday conversations. Here are some more examples of why questions and answers. Why is the baby crying? Because she is hungry. This helps you see how natural it sounds to ask and answer questions using why. Here are several common why questions you can use. Why did you choose this career? Why is the sky blue? Why do people procrastinate? Asking why allows you to understand reasons and causes in many different situations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.